Here at Lloyd Rover Kelso, we are pleased to present this Defender D300 X-Dynamic HSE 130, finished in Carpathian Grey metallic paint, with 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include black exterior pack, LED headlights, front fog lights, fixed side steps, power folding heated door mirrors, keyless entry, sliding panoramic roof, privacy glass, and to the rear of the vehicle we can see the spare wheel cover and detachable tow bar. As we enter now behind the rear door, we can see the extensive seating capacity with 6 seats in the rear of the vehicle. Entering into the rear of the cabin now, we can see the sliding panoramic roof from the inside, and we have the light Oyster and Lunar Windsor leather seats with ISOFIX child seat mounts. On the centre console we have the rear climate controls. Entering into the front of the cabin now, we can see the Meridian sound system badge on the door card as we turn into view the heated and cooled electric front seats. As we turn now to the multifunction steering wheel, we have the adaptive cruise control and the heated steering wheel button, the interactive driver display with satellite navigation, and the hands-free mobile controls. On the touch display we have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, the heated and cooled seat controls, and the 3D surround camera display with towing assist. On the centre console we have the climate controls with the ride height buttons and gear selector. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.